Experience wide air spread with the USHA Swift 1000 200mm ceiling fan in rich brown, featuring high lift angle blade for superior performance at low voltage. This ceiling fan boasts a glossy powder-coated finish for durability and longevity, with 207mm air delivery and 74 watts power consumption. Operating at 240 volts, this fan comes with a 2-year warranty and includes ceiling fan motor, top canopy, bottom canopy, shackle assembly, down rod, and blade. Crafted from CRCA and aluminium, the USHA Swift ceiling fan is designed for easy installation with a down rod mount and button control for convenience. Elevate your living space with the USHA Swift 1000 200mm ceiling fan, a perfect blend of style, performance, and reliability.